You're wasting so much time scrolling through your terminal history. Here's how to instantly find any command you've ever typed. You know you ran that command last week, the long one with all the flags. Now you're hitting the up arrow 50 times trying to find it. There's a way faster way. Press Ctrl+R. Your prompt changes to a search bar. Start typing any part of the command, even just a keyword in the middle of it, and your shell instantly pulls up the most recent match. Keep hitting Ctrl+R to cycle backward through older matches if the first one isn't the right one. Once you find it, hit enter to run it immediately, or hit the right arrow key to drop it into your prompt so you can edit it first before running. If you want to see a list instead of one match at a time, type history and pipe it into grep, something like history pipe grep docker, that shows every past command that had docker in it with a number next to each one. See the number next to the command you want from that list, type an exclamation mark followed by that number, like !482, and it reruns that exact command instantly. Try Ctrl+R right now on whatever you were about to type. It will change how you use the terminal. Let me know in the comments what commands you search for most.